there's a mad place to rip. I haven't ripped here yet, but there's a lot of trees, obstacles, little panels. So hopefully it's gonna be lots of fun. Been waiting for this the whole day, just to go ripping. Oh, by the way, guys, I got these new pads. Oh my god, must have. If you got DJI Goggles 3, it's a must have. Like nice material, you know. Let's see if I get told off here. I don't think anyone's gonna care, but you never know. Let's go. Alright, warm up. Oh, not much wind. I changed the rates today, so a little bit high for me. Oh, the roll is still pretty high. Yeah, I gotta put the roll down, or I don't. Let's chase the pigeons. Ah! There's actually power lines there, I didn't even know. Well, a bit of a shake. Until I warm up, I don't know why I get like really shaky hands. The range is fantastic though. Check it out, guys. Can't even rip around here. Oh, that's far, man. Wow. That is far.
Okay, buddy.
No motorbikes. Whee! Someone's watching. How you doing, brother?
Good, mate. How are you, mate?
Good, bro.
Is that yours?
Yeah.
What'd you get that? That's a nice one.
Which one, the drone or the wheel?
Drone here.
Yeah, online. Yeah.
Hey, I like your bike, mate.
Thanks, bro.
Is that a fast? Is that a battery or normal battery?
Yeah, battery.
Is it?
Yeah, it does about 70 k's an hour.
7 k's, that's
Yeah.
right, mate. As long as you got a hammer, that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Where'd it go?
Yeah.
Where'd it go? Fly up somewhere.
The what, sorry?
The thing that was flying out in the air.
Oh, the drone? Yeah, I was just flying around.
Is it?
Yeah. Yeah, just flying around, bro. Yeah, it's too much fun. It's a little thing.
That's it?
Yeah.
That's alright. See you, mate.
No worries. Take care, brother. It's like first interaction with a. Oh my God! Oh, I forgot to check up on the battery of the drone, and it's I think it fell below 2.9. It's a really crazy hazy sun now. I think it's because of the clouds. Yeah, what do you reckon, guys? One more rip here. One more rip. We'll do one more before we go. I need a second bag. Yeah, shouldn't run the batteries too low, then you damage them, and then it loses life, degrades its life. 3, 2, 1. And I wonder, I gotta go back and watch the OSD, see how actually low I got. And the good thing you see with these whoops, man, like people aren't bothered, they just don't care. Says, oh man, he didn't even care. What, ah! I'll try and go through. Let me line him up. Oh man, that's bad. That is bad flying. Yeah, like as I was saying before, my hands are really shaky. Oh my god, I couldn't even line that up. Alright, let's try that again. Let's go from this side. Oh dude. I want to turtle it while it's on the sand, because it gets stuff in the motors and it screws it up. What I'm going to do, you know what? They're sort of on an angle, so it makes it just a little bit harder. Yeah, that's just me whinging about it, really. All right, let's try it again. Let's try one more time. Okay, so we're going to clear it through here. Steady, steady, steady. Yay. So I told you people don't care. Oh man, the range. Mind you, the drone's actually behind me. So look at the reception even behind. Still 60 Mbps. And how good's the quality, guys? 4K crisp. A bit low. Whoop. Scare the pigeons again. They're quick.
Thanks, mate.
No worries, brother. $340, low battery. Let's head back. Alright. Changing locations, guys. Let's hit another place. I'll go towards a body shop, see what's happening there. The battery's in here. Nice. Not sure if it's any drama getting off the sticks, taking the sticks off. I probably should, but the grooves are a little bit deep, so it's annoying to take out. So that's why I don't put it on. I don't normally put it on. Let's go around body shops, maybe. Okay. Oh. That's mad. Stairs. Haven't been down the stairs for a while.